Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use Spot News. Today I will show you how to use Watermark in MS Word 2013. First open Microsoft Word document. Go to Insert and go to Design menu and select Watermark, and you can see there are many styles watermark: confidential on, to, do not copy, draft, sample, and you can use custom watermark. So click custom, and which text add you as a watermark, you write here. Use watermark. I want to use this text as a watermark, that's why I'm right here, use watermark. And this is language, you can change language. And this is font style, you can change font style in here. In size, there have an auto option, you can manually give this size manually 40. And color, you can change text color, then apply and close. Text not edit, so I'm going there as up, use watermark. See there, my watermark is added. So you can easily use watermark in design section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.